In today's video, I have a tiny penny stock that has developed a game-changing AI platform in biotechnology. This NASDAQ-listed company is trading at just 50 cents, but analysts have recently set $5 price targets, and the company just signed a major partnership with a multi-billion-dollar leading biotech company. In today's video, I will be talking about ImmunoPrecise Antibodies Limited. This stock is producing game-changing technology, and the good news keeps coming, but somehow this is still flying under the radar. Now, we've got a lot to get through in this video, so I will try to keep this intro short, but if you find any value in this, can I ask you to smash the like button? It takes a lot of time to make these videos, but it literally takes 2 seconds and costs nothing to smash the like button, and it helps the channel out so much. I'm aiming to get 500 likes on this video. Help me hit that goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so always do your own due diligence. And I would really appreciate it if you could try to answer the question later in this video. Now let's get into it. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about ImmunoPrecise Antibodies Limited. There is a lot of exciting things going on with this company lately, and this is definitely a stock to have on your watch list right now. So first of all, what is ImmunoPrecise Antibodies and what do they do? ImmunoPrecise Antibodies Limited is a biotech company that leverages multi-omics modeling and complex artificial intelligence through a series of proprietary and patented technologies. The company owns an integrated end-to-end suite of capabilities to support the development of therapeutic antibodies and are known for solving very complex industry challenges. IPA has several subsidiaries in North America and Europe, including entities such as Talem Therapeutics, BioStrand, and ImmunoPrecise Antibodies. IPA's proprietary technology and products are positioned on the leading edge of antibody development, innovating the industry as a single-source provider of a full complement of antibody discovery platforms. So what makes IPA so special? Well, first of all, we have a big problem. For decades, researchers have sought a fast track to drug discovery, yet the process has been getting slower and more costly. It generally takes 12 to 15 years to get to the point at which national regulatory agencies grant marketing approval. The industry is desperate for better solutions, and AI can fix this, but only if it's done right. Traditional AI models struggle because biology is too complex for simple pattern recognition, but this is where IPA comes in. They have built something called HYFT technology, and this is honestly genius. Instead of treating DNA and proteins as just raw sequences, HYFT breaks them down into meaningful structured patterns. It's like indexing system for biology. As it says here, the HYFT's ability to pinpoint unique fingerprints in biological sequences enables the stacked large language models to apply their vast knowledge base with greater specifically, leading to more accurate predictions and insights. This integration marks a pivotal moment in the utilization of artificial intelligence for complex biological data analysis and drug discovery. So think of it like how Google organizes the internet, but instead of web pages, IPA is mapping the entire biosphere. And when you pair that with their Lens AI platform, now we're talking next level AI. This thing doesn't just analyze genetic sequences, it actually understands how sequence, structure, and function are all connected. That means instead of blindly guessing which drugs might work, IPA's AI can predict, design, and optimize therapies with a level of accuracy that just wasn't possible before. Just last week, ImmunoPrecise announced an AI-driven breakthrough in universal dengue vaccine discovery. IPA's Lens AI, using their patented HYFT technology, identifies a single target across all serotypes, therefore potentially allowing a vaccine to target and activate the immune system to eliminate the virus. This discovery marks a major milestone towards the development of a potential universal vaccine and validates the company's newly launched HYFT vaccine discovery engine. IPA's CEO, Dr. Jennifer Bath, commented that this breakthrough highlights a new frontier in AI-driven biology. But this is the important bit. Ultimately, this research validates a persistent target that may allow doctors to hone in on a signal to eliminate a virus regardless of mutations that may have occurred. And more importantly, the implications appear to stretch far beyond just the single virus. This is the foundation that research indicates can now be applied to many other infectious diseases and potentially even certain types of cancer. So IPA now intends to extend its AI-driven vaccine design platform to other high-impact infectious diseases, such as HIV, norovirus, and an improved RSV vaccine. Early-stage assessments are also underway to explore the platform's application in oncology. So guys, there have been some pretty big developments out of IPA in recent weeks, and although the stock is still flying under the radar, it's not been completely missed by everyone because the stock has been on a good run in recent weeks. Since the beginning of April, the stock is up over 70%, and that is despite a pullback in the past few days. The stock had been up over 100% at one point. And that's because there is a load of great news coming from the company over the past few months. Such as this: ImmunoPrecise Antibodies and a global biotechnology leader enter into a partnership for the development of novel cancer therapeutics. As it says here, this is a strategic partnership with a leading biotechnology company with a multi-billion-dollar market cap. So this is actually a pretty big deal because this is a multi-billion-dollar market cap company. Not some penny stock, not some microcap company that they're doing a partnership with, a multi-billion-dollar biotech company. And the agreement is valued at an initial $8 million, with the potential to expand to $10 million based on the program progression, which will span 18 to 24 months, integrating AI across the workflow to enhance discovery and optimization. Looking at the recent investors presentation, we can see that IPA is revolutionizing the antibody discovery industry with its techniques, experience, and proprietary AI-driven platform, LensAI. Now, LensAI is software as a service, which puts unprecedented insights in the hands of researchers at pharma, research hospitals, and technology companies. As it says here, the LensAI software commercial rollout is already underway, with early adoption by clients already working with IPA, and the rollout to external partners recently launched. So IPA is the #1 ranked contract research organization by Roots Analysis. They serve 19 out of the top 20 global pharmaceutical companies and over 600 clients in pharmaceutical and biotech industries. Leveraging feedback from these long-term relationships and development of the AI-driven software, which allows BioStrand's patented LensAI technology to enable unprecedented research and drug discovery capabilities. And BioStrand also received a prestigious 2024 Impact Award for the groundbreaking LensAI technology. This recognition highlights BioStrand's work in biotherapeutic research, which has made significant impact and set a new standard for innovation in the industry. The antibody discovery market is set to grow from $1.7 billion in 2024 up to $6.3 billion by 2035. But AI-driven drug discovery is exploding and is expected to surpass $100 billion in the next decade. Artificial intelligence in the pharmaceutical industry is regarded as the holy grail of digital transformation. But most AI biotech companies lack execution. They train models, but they can't translate insights into real clinical candidates. IPA bridges AI with wet lab capabilities, giving them a huge competitive advantage in a potentially lucrative industry. And just last month, the company announced that their LensAI platform can deliver X-ray level mapping insights in hours, matching gold standard methods with greater speed. LensAI was able to match the performance of X-ray crystallography, the industry's most precise but slowest and most expensive method. As stated here by IPA CEO Jennifer Bath, in an industry where over 95% of drug candidates fail before reaching the clinic, accelerating decisions earlier in the discovery pipeline isn't a luxury, it's a necessity. So this technology has game-changing potential. But what do analysts think of IPA stock? Looking at MarketBeat, we can see that ImmunoPrecise Antibodies has a consensus price target of $4 that is more than 588% above today's price. This is according to two separate analysts who have both rated the stock as a buy and have given $3 and $5 targets. Even the lower target here, the $3, is still several 100% above the current price of 58 cents. And both of these ratings have been set recently too. H.C. Wainwright is the most recent, giving IPA a $5 price target in April and rating the stock as a buy, while benchmark analyst Robert Wasserman $3 speculative buy rating was set back in January. Now, interestingly, H.C. Wainwright's $5 price target came on the same day that IPA announced its strong support for the FDA's decision to phase out animal testing requirements for monoclonal antibodies and other pharmaceutical products. The FDA's announcement marks a significant advancement in regulatory modernization and aligns fully with ImmunoPrecise's mission to revolutionize drug discovery, because IPA has long championed its transition towards more ethical, efficient, and accurate methods, where their Lens AI platform and discovery tools were designed precisely to support this new era. So guys, let me know your thoughts on IPA in the comments below. Everything seems to be pointing towards a deep value position here because AI will revolutionize the biotech industry. I know a lot of people are skeptical about AI in general, but AI isn't just changing drug discovery, it's about to change everything. And IPA, they're leading the charge. So keep an eye on this one, it's going to be huge. But remember that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice, so I highly recommend that you do more due diligence. To learn more about ImmunoPrecise antibodies, check out the link in the description below. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in